Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer user data with Auth0, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer user data using Auth0, first, log into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the User Management section. Select the Users tab to view your user list. Identify the users whose data you want to transfer. You can use the search bar to find specific users quickly. Once you find a user, click on their profile to open the details. Take note of the user information that needs to be migrated. For bulk transfers, you may want to use the Auth0 Management API. Set up an application in Auth0 to make API calls. Generate an API token by going to the API section and selecting your application. Make a note of the generated token for authentication purposes. Now, proceed to make API requests to retrieve user data. Use the get/API/v2/users endpoint to fetch user details. Specify query parameters to filter or limit the data as needed. Examine the API response to verify the user data retrieved. For transferring the user data to a different Auth0 tenant or application, prepare the data format required. Use the post/API/v2/users endpoint to create new users in the target tenant. Ensure that all necessary fields, such as email and password, are included in your request. Check for possible duplicate users and handle accordingly based on your application's requirements. Run the migration script or process to create users in batches, if needed. Monitor the responses for any errors during the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, verify the users in the target tenant. Check if the user data transferred correctly and that users can log in. You may also want to set up user roles and permissions post-migration. Finally, communicate with your users about any changes made to their accounts. This completes the process of transferring user data with Auth0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.